एलिफेंटिका एंड यूज़ ऑफ इंटरनल मदर टिंचर्स पढ़ रहे थे। तो हम पढ़ लिए थे 48 पेज नंबर तक पढ़ लिए थे, 10 तक, एसिड हाइड्रो तक। तो आज पढ़ते हैं 11 से। आर्सेनिक एल्बम 3x। इन सप्रेशन ऑफ यूरिन इन cholera with great torpor, delirium and restlessness, give arsenic album 3x 1 drop every hour or oftener. A single dose of arsenic album 3x titration will aggravate the suppressed malarial fever and cure the patient from all ailments due to suppression of ague with quinine, anacardium. In elephantiasis, give anacardium 1x 1 drop thrice daily. On failure of hydrocotyle asiatica, complement this with the well-selected remedy according to totality of the symptoms of the patient. Aloes Q. It is efficacious in dysenteric stools with mucus and blood with prolapse ani, loss of control over sphincter ani, and consequent passage of frequent involuntary stools and anus wide. 2 drops with cool water 4 times a day. Apocyinum Q. General anasarca chili patient intense third with frequent watery stools, vomiting, free micturition in ratio of the intake of water. Agaricus Q. It is the most important remedy for chorea, twitching, tingling of muscles, tremor of head, and electric-like shocks in the spinal column. Give 5 drops in an ounce of cool water thrice daily. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है एलेट्रेसिस फेरिनोसा क्यू। दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट यूट्राइन टॉनिक। ये बहुत अच्छा यूट्राइन टॉनिक है। इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल रेमेडीज टू क्योर यूट्राइन डिसऑर्डर। इट इज़ सक्सेसफुली यूज्ड इन द वीकनेस ऑफ द यूट्रस कॉज्ड बाय द फ्रिक्वेंट चाइल्ड बेयरिंग एंड ओवरवर्क। अगर कई बार प्रेग्नेंट हो चुकी है कोई लेडी, उस वजह से या ओवरवर्क की वजह से जो यूट्रस पे स्ट्रेस पड़ा है, तो उसकी वजह से उसमें जब यूट्रस में डिस्टर्बेंसेस हो जाती है तब ये मेडिसिन बहुत अच्छा वर्क करती है। इन इनसफिशिएंट मेंस्ट्रुअल फ्लो एंड ल्यूकोरिया एसोसिएटेड विद डेबिलिटी एंड एनीमिया, इट वर्क्स मिरेकुलसली। गिव एलेट्रिस फेरिनोसा in 5 drops dose twice daily and alternate with Ashoka genosea Q in 5 drops dose twice daily. This will bring tone to the uterus and remove all irregularity of menses and complaint dependent on it. In leukorrhea, aletrasis Q likewise should be alternated with Ovastosta 3x in 3 grains doses twice daily. ल्यूकोरिया की कंडीशन में इसको हम ओवाटोस्टा के साथ हम इसको अल्टरनेट करेंगे, और यूट्रस से रिलेटेड जो भी कंडीशन है उसमें हम जेनोशिया अशोका के साथ हम इसको अल्टरनेट करेंगे। इन यूट्राइन डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड प्रोलैप्सिस यूट्राई, दिस ड्रग शुड बी यूज्ड ट्वाइस डेली इन mother tincture dilution in 5 doses and simultaneously Viburnum opulus should be administered. Viburnal prunifolia Q should be alternated with Alter's Q in habitual abortion of women in the same manner. तो यहाँ पे हम ये दो मेडिसिन यहाँ पे ऑल्टरनेट कर रहे हैं। इन स्टेरिलिटी एंड क्लोरोसिस इट्स कॉन्स्टेंट यूज रेंडर्स यूट्रस फ्री फ्रॉम ऑल डिफेक्ट्स एंड इनेबल्स स्टेराइल वुमेन टू गिव बर्थ। अब ये देखिए कि ये जो मेडिसिन है फीमेल के लिए कितनी ज़्यादा वंडरफुल है, यूट्रस से रिलेटेड, फीमेल से रिलेटेड कंडीशन में, इवन कि स्टेरिलिटी की कंडीशन में भी ये बहुत अच्छा काम करती है। स्टेराइल वुमेन टू गिव बर्थ टू अलाइव चिल्ड्रन इफ स्टेरिलिटी बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन ओबेसिटी, अगर ओबेसिटी की वजह से है। फाइटोलाइन क्यू इन 10 ड्रॉप शुड बी यूज ट्वाइस डेली। तो ये बता दिया कि अगर किसी और रीज़न ओबेसिटी की वजह से है तो ये वाला मदर टिंचर यूज़ करना है। In function, sterility should be given twice daily, alternate with corpus luteum 3x, 2 taps are dosed thrice daily. Aletris ferinosa Q is especially useful in gastric derangement connected with uterine disorder or in pregnant women such as loss of appetite, distension of abdomen after the fat food, disgust for food, nausea and constipation, as well as fainting fits with vertigo. In these cases, Aletris Q 5 drops in cool water thrice daily is very beneficial, and it should be alternated with Carica papaya 1x 2 drops or 2 grains are dosed twice daily after meals. It has been successfully used in obstinate vomiting of pregnancy. वॉमिटिंग की कंडीशन में भी इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं। Alitrus Q5 drops twice daily in cool water alternate with Symphorycarpus racemosa Q5 drops twice daily act like magic in stopping curing obstinate vomiting और pregnancy. तो प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन्स में वोमिटिंग अगर स्टॉप नहीं हो रही तो इसको इस वाले सिम्फोरी कार्पस मदर टिंचर के साथ इसको हम ऑल्टरनेट करेंगे, बहुत अच्छा वर्क करेगी. तो नेक्स्ट है अमाइल नाइट्रिक क्यू. In sudden senselessness and consciousness in epileptic convulsions, let the patient smell at amyl nitric Q and it will bring him back to sense. Similarly, let the patient inhale amyl nitric Q in unbearable fatal pain and it will pacify him. Ornithogalum embolitum Q. Next, give a single dose of this remedy Q, 2 drops with an ounce of cool water in gastric ulcer and it will act wonderfully. If necessary, repeat the dose after a long interval. Alpha alpha Q. Alpha alpha is a great tissue builder and greatly increases weight. It is highly efficacious in anemia, chlorosis, marasmus, deficient development, phthisis and all conditions characterized by tissue waste. It is likewise successfully used in convalescence after childbirth and during lactation. Doses: half to 1 teaspoon in an ounce of water, milk or tea 3 times a day, less for children according to age. In convalescence after serious acute disease such as pneumonia, typhoid, etc., Soranum 200 single dose should be given along with alpha alpha to expedite the restoration of strength and vigor and prevent recurrence of the disease. Avena sativa Q. This remedy is preeminently nutrient to the nervous system. It is stimulate and great builder and restorative to nervous power. It is the most wonderful remedy in all cases of nervous exhaustion, great debility. In such cases, Avena sativa Q5 drops in cool water thrice daily is very beneficial. In nervous palpitation of the heart should be used twice daily in an ounce of cool water and should be alternated with cretaceous Oxy-Q 5 drops in cool water twice daily. In insomnia with despondency, it should be given twice daily in 5 drops doses in cool water added with a dose of Passiflora incarnata Q 60 drops in an ounce of hot water at bedtime. It is very useful in weakness of memory and inability to fix his attention on any subject while thinking or reading, with mental, nervous and physical debility due to excessive indulgence in onanism and masturbation. In such cases, especially in student and mental workers of modern age, mix Avena sativa, ashwagandha and damiana all in Q dilutions, each 2 drop in an ounce of cool water and use twice daily for a month or more, and abstain from sexual intercourse for at least 2 months and see the miracle of these drugs. It is likewise efficacious beyond expectation in nervous exhaustion of women due to excessive indulgence in sexual intercourse, with mental depression and physical prostration. In all such cases, Avena sativa 3 drops in an ounce of cool water thrice daily should be used and alternate with Ashoka genosea Q twice daily in 5 drop doses with an ounce of cool water. Avena sativa is a specific for curing the morphine or opium eating. मॉर्फिन और ओपियम की ईटिंग के लिए ये क्योर करती है अच्छे से. The patient should lessen the quantity of opium gradually. It should be given in hot water 15 drops 4 times a day, and the patient will do without eating opium in a short span of time. To eradicate and eliminate abnormalities of opium, it is advisable to take a dose of plumbum 200 single dose, and this will cure the patient from any kind of ailment due to long and constant use of opium. Avena sativa will get rid of the morphine habit and increase and add new vigor in his exhausted nervous system. In the treatment of enlargement of the prostate, it forms a valuable auxiliary of saw palmetto. In the treatment of sexual debility, spermatoria and nocturnal emission, it should be used as an alternative with Salix nigra. 3 drops of each should be mixed in an ounce of cool water and given thrice daily. In the treatment of impotence, mix 3 drops of Avena sativa with 3 drops of Damiana Q in an ounce of cool water and give thrice daily for a long time. Ashoka Janossia Q. Ashoka Janossia has gained universal reputation as a great savior of women from all elements peculiar to the fair sex. Why should any woman suffer so long? This great savior survives on the earth. It is a great uterine tonic with the greatest efficacy in all uterine and menstrual disorder. Its action is certain and surpass all alike remedies. It can be used as a principal remedy or alternative with other remedies similar to it in usefulness. Violent pain in pelvic region due to sudden suppression of menstrual flow with extension of this pain in the whole abdominal region, and violent pain in head and lumbar region. Commencement of menstrual flow is preceded by violent pain in pelvic cavity. Flow thin, watery or yellowish, or discharge of black fetid blood. Most inveterate cause of chronic leukorrhea with sterility. Intense pain in lower abdomen. Very fetid, long-lasting black lochia. Thirst, weakness, vertigo, diarrhea, etc. due to uterine disorders, great debility and pronounced emaciation, palpitation of heart, intense intolerable pain and burning during micturition, anemia, chlorosis in lean and thin hysteric women. Principally in these elements, Ashoka Q 5 drops dose thrice daily should be used, and it must be used as an intercurrent remedy and complementary to Abroma augusta, Xanthoxylum aletris, Farinosa viburnum, Opulus viburnum, Prunifolia ovatosta, Pulsatilla sepia, Semicifuga, Colophilum etc. with grand सक्सेस. तो ये मेडिसिन हैं यहाँ पर. उसके बाद अब हम ये आगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे.